Love box.
That's not very politically correct, though.
I was not going to be politically correct.
Oh my goodness. Actually, it's not too bad. I don't know if you can see it.
This crop is pretty high.
It was under $100. Yeah. So, yeah, it's HD 1080p. It does photos too, but they're not. They're like 2 megapixels or something like that. But it does take good video. It doesn't have image stabilization really in it, so when you're walking and you're just holding it, it can be a little herky-jerky.
Did you ever change those up or not?
No.
There was a truck, a beat-up old pickup truck in the trees, and had a sign on it, with an arrow going party. I don't know how long it's been there, but everything's touchscreen.
Yeah, that was after my grad. Oh yeah, that was when we, next year I want to switch those. Yeah. But that was, yeah, but for the summer. No, I went to Wainwright that last year. Year before I did SYP.
After your grad, you were going to
So that's when I went to Portland. After SYP. Yeah, it was after I went to Wainwright, I went to Yakima. By May that next year. I had to retire. Not long distance, but
Look at all these little houses in here.
You know, it's about 30 kilometers. Hey, it's got the on the right.
That's all new section. Count, that's all new buildings. It's a whole new section of town over there.
Yeah. It wasn't there before.
well, relatively new.
What's that?
Oh, all that
last
new.
15 years that one section of town's been put in.
Oh no. Now which way do you go?
Out to the highway, just like he said.
Like this guy says, wait till the last minute. Go around that hole. That's a big hole.
TomTom's telling you where to go.
I thought it said turn left.
No, it's a turn
Turn
right.
right, did it?
Yeah, he has a big green arrow saying go right.
The other turn right here.
It's like bugging them.
Never mind, guys. I used to
Sir.
it now.
Or ever since that trip when we were coming, I think when Grandma and Grandpa were moving, we got stuck in
Ow, ow. She's throwing.
Steal a trailer.
It's my heart. She ripped it out and threw it at me. Why am I squinting? Oh, right. Sunglasses.
It's bad once the sun gets a little higher, it's over the edge of the band right now. They're done like this one, so it's right there. It's like, oh, that's hard. I'm doing that.
Yeah.
Does it hurt when you do this? Yes, I'm doing that.
Yeah. Just stop doing it. Squeeze my
That's when I
heart.
do this, doctor. Well, then don't do it.
Have you seen any trailers for the Rise of the Apes?
Rise of the Apes.
It's the prequel to Planet of the Apes. Black calls for the around the emergency services.
Yeah, they're really doing a good job there. There's a meeting you probably should go to in town to tell you what the new plan is for
The downtown?
development, yeah.
That was yesterday, though, wasn't it? I think it was the 9th. They've missed
What
both
they're
of
putting
them.
in, isn't it? In waffles and these?
Huh?
The Madas. We're getting.
I don't.
Guys, get out of the way.
I hate it when they get in the way like that. Oh, look at the drive-through.
Yeah, it's crazy.
No, it's early in the morning. What do you expect?
Oh yeah.
How do we get through there? That's kind of
Black car is down there. Black car's coming in this way.
That old Mustang.
You had to turn up here, didn't you?
Big opening.
I'm late for work. What are you doing, dude? Sunday drivers.
Tourists are always funny.
There's a lot of water sitting in there.
Just looking at that.
No.
Did they get like a big rain? Or...
Damn duck out there.
There is too. I think that's too much water for your playground when there's ducks.
That's a duck playground.
A duck playground.
You know, they got their water running out to
The Funk Brothers
that
are coming
alley.
to Calgary this
All the
coming
way down
Wednesday.
there,
There they
thanks.
are. Yeah, they're here right now.
Stop picking mud up there.
So why take
Just stellar. Why? What's it to you?
Oh, I'm just curious. Take pictures.
Pictures of everything.
Written by Marvin Gaye, credited to Martha
There,
Reeves
it's
Vangelis,
ground.
and performed in relative obscurity by the Funk Brothers. The Funk Brothers play the Jack Singer Concert Hall this coming Wednesday night at 7. Tickets are $91.83.
That's their exhibition grounds. We need to do some work on them.
Through EmcorCenter.org.
They're a little
Nice high
tired
ticket
looking.
prices. Payback time. Man, you're making it tough.
Oops, there's a car stopped on the top of the hill.
I know. What else is going on? Well, this Saturday.
That's quite the little hill.
It is.
Knit in
It
public.
is. It's
Imagine
a lot easier with no trailer on here.
Ugh.
I
Goodness.
We always came this way, and if you had a big truck, it wasn't great.
I was thinking wintertime would be kind of a,
Yeah,
Which some lovingly refer to as
or a standard.
salty.
Driving with a standard? Oh my god.
consignment.
Yeah, it's a little tricky with the
Olympic
standard.
Plaza, just behind the statues of the. What do you call
You
it?
definitely have to learn your
Those
brake,
stick things you use.
emergency brake,
Clutch.
clutch.
It's a very complicated site.
It works better if you have the
Yeah.
hand grip
In
where it's
public,
instead of the foot grip.
Tomorrow,
This thing
between
is,
10
I've
and 6,
never
just behind the
seen it,
statues
like,
of
it's right
David
up to
Vines.
their
Again,
dump.
bring your knitting
They're
supplies or
blind
don't.
things that
Just
are
bring your love for knitting. For emails,
Blind
or for details,
Blinds.
email at gmail.com.
They're actually out in the middle of the light
Knitting
instead of on the
Of course not. One more for the road. Yes, the latest from Calgary's mob hit productions is called Queen Anne's Revenge, The Rise and Fall of Blackbeard. It's their take on the story. Blackbeard was a privateer in the British Navy who went on to become the most famous realist pirate of all time. Here's the show's director, Lawrence Leon.
It's really about the story of how he becomes a pirate and what happens to him along the way and how he meets his final and spectacular end.
You have to wear your hip waders to go on that path.
Stay as close to the history as we can and embellish in places that definitely the moments where we've used our own artistry to kind of fill in the blanks of history, as it were, and just trying to create a cohesive and well-rounded story.
Queen Anne's Revenge.
Plastic bags from the all-important annual citywide food drive in the fall. Last year, the organization said it wanted to reduce the environmental impact of all that plastic. But food bank spokesperson Julie Brewster says paper bags are more expensive and less reliable.
The paper bag sticks out on the step and it snowed on it or rained on it. When our volunteers go door to door to pick them up, especially with a food drive like the citywide food drive where they're doing a huge number of houses in a day, they pick up.
Brewster says the food bank collects $700,000 During the fall event, and plastic bags are the most reliable option. Smaller collections to gauge the response. Aboriginal leaders come to lobby MLAs and educators attending a special event today in Edmonton. About 130 people have been invited to the event to mark tomorrow's National Day of Healing and Reconciliation. Health Edmonton Native Counseling Services of Alberta plans to press MLAs and academics for both Native Studies courses for education students at universities. So that teachers have a better understanding of history and a better understanding of the challenges so that when they're dealing with Aboriginal students or Indigenous experience, they're looking National Day of Healing and Reconciliation events tomorrow at locations across the country. German investigators have determined that locally grown vegetable sprouts and
Yes, Google has a fleet of self-propelled cars ready for the hot streets of Nevada.
I love cars. When I turned 18,
Is that an impulse that I should just drive through, or is it a box full of bricks that I should swerve to avoid?
That was the
And if you
motel
have
we
to
stayed
swerve
in
to
during
avoid,
that storm.
Do you know
Yep,
if there's
that's
a
right.
car in your blind spot or not? And what's the best choice of action? So, let's see, if for the robotic driving task, if it's an emergency that
Yeah.
requires, for want of a better word,
If I had a
common
long
sense,
commute to work,
something that robots still don't have.
a robot car would be kind of cool. Because then you could like read the paper or sleep. But for a 10-minute drive, it's kind of pointless.
Safety to decrease traffic fatalities. And if it's very difficult to give a computer common sense, do you think that's a realistic objective?
I think it is a realistic objective. If you look at saving lives as job number one, or the first primary goal, I strongly endorse and believe that. As a robotics professor at MIT, I teach undergraduates how to design and build robot systems. We talk about engineering ethics, and the engineering ethics code says engineers shall hold paramount safety, health, and welfare of the public. And we have a responsibility to sort of deploy the technology wisely and try to see how the technology can address societal needs. And certainly saving lives is an important. The number of traffic fatalities is stunning. It's sort of an unspoken, unseen epidemic. And
Why did I go and drive in the ditch? I can hear that. Not clearly, but I can hear it.
It's too loud for it.
It doesn't seem very windy high up because there's two jet stream trails that are just parallel to each other. And yeah. straight stretch road. Nom nom nom. That would be explained why that seems like it was. There we go. Iced coffee in the middle of nowhere. It's no Tim's ice cap. Well, you can tell you're getting into Saskatchewan. Look at the road, it suddenly turns really lumpy.
Yeah, you sound like really
Has he gone for a swim in the pond? Where is he? Oh, he is way down there.
Is he?
Oh, yeah, he's down standing down in the ditch there. Not sure what he was doing down there. Might be checking his fences. Where's the welcome to Saskatchewan sign?
Oh, we already went.
Did we? Oh, I saw the one for you're leaving Alberta.
Then it was just a little ways past that.
On that side, Saskatchewan, naturally.
The loose stones one?
No, what is it? Saskatchewan.
Welcome to Saskatchewan. Loose stones and bad roads.
Yes, this road. Actually.
At least it's got gorgeous scenery. And cows. Lots and lots of cows.
Great.
And random pieces of black pavement. You could lose a small car in some of these holes. Well, it can't be safe because everybody's weaving all over the road to miss it.
Everybody went.
I couldn't miss it. Had to pick one.
The better one.
Which hole is smaller?
Yeah, the lesser of the.
You can't be doing any speed on here and have any control.
Well, you can, but you can lose the bottom end of your
Uh-oh.
control.
Yeah.
There's one benefit down this way. Side bit.
This doesn't make for a steady cam. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, they have the construction dude sign, but have you seen any actual construction?
They're right up ahead here.
Oh, is that what's holding up the traffic up there? Do you think the road will be really nice on the other side of them? It's like the pavement's like falling into the ditch. Where's all that oil money going? Don't get too close to the shoulder. You can end up sunk in the ditch there. Ooh. Ooh. Must be coming up to a major intersection up here because I see street lights. Mind boggles that this is a major highway, basically. Ah. They're making a patchwork quilt out of the road.
Better job.
Put a primate.
Why do you want to go to
Because it just sounds cool. Town of Primate.
Okay, that's a weird name.
Well, you're going to Robert, I know that.
Go south.
Go north for a
Go
while.
south.
Go north for a bit and then south. Have to get over to the other highway.
Turn around.